Hey, Kai here. Screenshot time. Freeze what you see on the screen. Show a grown-up or a teacher. Windows, Shift, and S. Let's go. Step 1. A screenshot is a picture of your screen. Homework you need help with. A cool drawing. Something that looks stuck. Perfect for showing a grown-up. Picture locked. Picture wiggle. Step 2, the shortcut. Hold the Windows key, hold Shift, tap S, release. The screen goes dim. That means Snipping Tool is ready. Keys fired, shortcut disco. Step 3, look at the toolbar on top. Choose Rectangle. That is the snip we use most. You can also search Snipping Tool with a grown-up. Shape picked rectangle floss. Step 4, click, hold, drag a box around what you want. Let go. Copy to your clipboard. The screen may look normal again. That is okay. Box captured, drag robot. Step 5, paste or save. Open a doc with a grown-up. Hold Ctrl, tap V, or open Snipping Tool and hit save. Skip passwords and private chats. Ask a grown-up before you send it. Safe send, snip chicken. Victory dance. Windows, Shift, S, rectangle, drag the box, paste or save. Ask a grown-up before you send. You are a screenshot star. Like and subscribe to Stick Figure Tech. New episodes Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.